Hi, I'm Ollie.
I'm Ruri.
This is the Steam Radio studio. Where do we start? This is where we actually broadcast from. So we use BUTT, to broadcast using Radio.co. Currently we're streaming, not playing much. But what else do we have? We have our trusty sofa, which is probably the longest standing piece of equipment in this room. We have all of our records up here. Some of us just collecting over the years, some old speakers, sort of storage space. And then this is where the business happens. This is the money end of the shot. We've got two LP 140s, one 120 and one 140. The XCJ 700s and Heath Zone 23C, which is really helpful because obviously the USB helps us stream. We've got our Behringer mixing desk behind as well. And then we've got two pairs of rockets on either side. Slightly less technically, we've got a bunch of names on the wall, so we like when DJs come in, when presenters come in, that they get to put their name up on the wall, just leave their own little mark on the studio. And obviously all of our fun stickers.
Yeah, we use the mixing desk as an audio interface, so everything runs through there, straight into the Mac, where we record all the shows through BUT and stream stuff live. The studio is also available for like hiring and people to come in and practice, record their shows in advance, as well as live stuff.
We've got plans in the next couple of weeks, in the next couple of months, with some funding that we've been very kindly given. We're going to upgrade our mixer. We're looking at a 900 NXS2 or maybe an 800, depending on what we can find on eBay. And obviously just constantly trying to upgrade gear when we can. Obviously we want the studio experience to be the best as it possibly can be for the people using it.
We've also got plans involving a drill that Ollie's brought today to hide all these cables and make it look like
cable management. Yeah, and then take some tables out. We're gonna repaint as well. Gonna have some fun. Have our logo in big up here, which will be great. But yeah, just sort of generally trying to upgrade the space as we go. As and when we can.
And just before you go, have you ever thought about launching your very own internet radio station? Surprisingly, it's a lot easier than you may think, especially when you make the time to chat to myself or a member of the Radio.co team. To do just that, head to our website, radio.co/demo, where I can talk about your plans, any questions you may have, and me and the team can really get you up to speed in launching your own internet radio station in literally minutes. It couldn't be easier. Why not check out some of our webinars, tutorials, help guides situated around me? Or why not visit our website, radio.co, or even drop me an email, studio@radio.co. Until next time, take care and happy broadcasting.